ChatGPT ads are one of the biggest opportunities for marketers in the next 5 years. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to know and how to create your first winning campaign. Now, the reason this is such a big opportunity for marketers is ChatGPT now has over 1 billion free active weekly users. And if you go to ChatGPT right now and ask it what it knows about you, you'll see that ChatGPT knows so much information about us. And the same is true for your target customers who are going to ChatGPT every single day to ask questions and get product and service recommendations. And this combination of targeting and intent is what's gonna make ChatGPT such a huge opportunity. Now, in terms of where the ads show, they show at the bottom of the answer, and OpenAI is soon going to be releasing product feed ads, which is a huge opportunity for e-commerce brands, as well as multiple ads that will show at the bottom of the answer. And despite what it was earlier this year, there's actually no minimum spend on the ChatGPT ad manager, and OpenAI is fast rolling out improvements. So by the time you get access to the ad manager after watching this video, there may have already been more improvements. Now, in terms of how you get started on the ChatGPT ad manager, the first thing that you're going to want to do is set up your tracking so you actually know whether this is a profitable channel for you. And the tracking on the ad manager is vastly improved. Not only can you create a pixel that you can add to your website to track events, but you can also create those events within the ad manager, as well as also create custom events that you can track on your website. And there's actually a free ChatGPT pixel helper that I'll add in the description that can help you figure out whether you've set up the ad pixel correctly and whether your events are going to be firing when you start running the ads. Now, when you've actually set up your tracking, you can then move on to creating your first campaign. Now, at the campaign level, this is where you can select your objective. You can not only pick CPM, so cost per 1,000 views, but you can also select CPC, cost per click, and OpenAI has recently released conversion campaigns, so you can select a conversion objective that you want to be getting and run ads specifically for that. At the campaign level, you can also select the locations that you want your ads to run in, which for right now are US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. OpenAI has recently rolled out the ads in the UK with many new locations coming in the next few months, so it's definitely worth checking if your location is now live. After that, you can select your budget, whether that's campaign budget or daily budget, as well as also the specific conversion events that you want to be tracking on your campaign. Now, once you've created your campaign, you can then move on to your ad group, and that's where your ads are going to live. At the ad group level, that's where you can select your maximum bids that you're willing to pay, as well as also set up your targeting. And with ChatGPT ads, your targeting is done via context hints. And context hints where you'll describe the kind of conversations, questions, and keywords that your target customers are using and having within ChatGPT. Now, these aren't exact match rules. ChatGPT is going to match what it believes is the best fit, but in here you can also add negative keywords to essentially guide ChatGPT to the best conversations that you want your ads to show in. Now, in terms of how the auction works, the auction essentially is your bid is equal to the maximum bid that you're willing to pay plus your relevance. So you want to make sure that the ads that you add within that specific ad group are extremely relevant to the targeting that you've set up. And when you go to create your ads, you're able to create a name, you're able to select the headline, description, image, and the URL that you want the clicks to go towards, which is where you can add this specific UTMs that you want to be tracking to get more granular tracking on your ads. And after you're done, you can then click review all the information, and then launch your first campaign. Obviously, right now, there's not too many different controls that you can have. However, soon OpenAI is going to be adding custom audiences where you can upload emails of people that you want to target, as well as also create lookalike audiences. And of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch this full course that I'll add somewhere on the screen, which will give you a full step-by-step walkthrough of how to create your first winning campaign, as well as all the individual details that the ChatGPT ad manager has. And of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel and join our free community in the description so you can be the first person to get access to all the best practices for ChatGPT ads.